In this short tutorial, I will show you how to find saved videos on YouTube. Finding your saved videos is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app, make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, you'll see playlists at the bottom. Just tap on the View All button over here. Now you'll be able to see all of the playlists you've created on YouTube. What you want to do next is find the playlist that you saved the videos to. I saved a video to the Watch Later playlist, so I'm simply going to tap and select it. This is exactly how you can find saved videos on YouTube. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.